Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. And andito pa rin tayo sa Zenito Audio Headquarters to pick up a set of audio gears na i-install natin sa aking Brio. So guys, tara let's! Samahan niyo ako! Alright guys, so as you can see, ang daming audio gears dito, from Ryan Audio, Mapletech, Ground Zero, hanggang sa mga focal speakers. Ang audio gears na pipick upin natin today will replace the stock door speakers ng 2019 Honda Brio. And guys, so nakikita natin na hindi lamang speakers meron dito sa Zenito Audio. Meron din ditong mga amplifiers, subwoofers, deadening sheets, OFC wires, at halos lahat ng kailangan mo para sa car audio meron dito. Okay, so this is it guys. Ang ating audio gears na sponsored ni Zenito Audio ay ang Ground Zero Iridium Series component and coaxial speakers. But before we get into the installation video, ito ang ating Ground Zero Iridium Series speakers unboxing and review video. Okay guys, so here's our freshly picked up set of speakers. So we have Ground Zero GZIF 65X two-way coaxial speakers para sa rear doors natin at Ground Zero GZIC 16X two-way component speakers para sa ating front doors. These speakers will give us great sound quality and will definitely improve our car audio experience in a whole new level. Unahin na natin i-unbox ang GZIF 65X two-way coaxial speakers. For the technical specs, ang total diameter nito ay 6.5 inches, which is same size ng stock speakers ng Honda Brio. So ang speaker type niya is two-way coax, meaning the tweeter is mounted on top of the subwoofer. Impedance is at 4 ohms and the frequency range is from 50 Hz up to 20 kHz. So very wide range ang kaya ng speakers na to. As for the power, it has 80 watts RMS or continuous power and 120 watts max or burst power. So ang SPL nito or sound pressure level is at 91 decibels. Okay, so now let's take the speakers out from the box. Ayan, grabe, bagong-bago, nakasil pa ng plastic lahat. Okay, here are the wirings and mounting materials. And of course, the owner's manual and information sheet. Alright guys, so ito na, the moment we've been all waiting for. Ayan, so sana hindi ko siya mabitawan. Okay, so alisin na natin sa plastic and here you go. Ayan guys, ang ganda-ganda ng grills, may GZ pa na naka-emboss. So sayang nga lang at hindi natin siya magagamit sa Brio natin. And let's take the other speaker out. Alright guys, again, I'm impressed sa grills, lalo na sa embossed GZ logo niya. Now here's the speaker. As you can see, yung mounting ng tweeter on top. Now when we look at the back, napakalaki ng magnet This speaker will definitely give us a punch. Siguradong dadagundong ang ating sounds. So as you can see, the speaker terminals have different size. So ito ay para ma-prevent na hindi magkabaliktad ang wiring natin. So ayan guys, so yan ang basic details ng ating Ground Zero Iridium Series coaxial speakers. Now, let's unbox our component speakers. So, ito guys, yung Ground Zero GZIC 16X two-way component speakers. So, for the technical specs, almost similar sila ng ating coax speakers. Same size, 6.5 inch in diameter, same impedance at 4 ohms, and same frequency range from 50 Hz to 20 kHz. But the component type is more powerful as it has RMS at 100 watts and max power at 150 watts. Then the SPL are the same level at 91 decibels. Okay, let's take them out from the box. So ito yung mga subwoofers. Then, ito yung mga tweeters. And meron din siyang kasamang crossover network. Later, explain ko kung para saan ang mga crossover networks. We also have the tweeter mounts. And of course, some mounting materials. As you notice, same sila ng grill ng coax because they belong to the same series, which is Iridium. So, ang main difference niya sa coax is nakahiwalay ang tweeter. So, may option tayo na i-install yung tweeter anywhere sa ating sasakyan. This is for us to get a better audio imaging, as they call it. Ito yung feeling na nasa harap mo yung nagpe-perform na artist. So itong crossover network ay ang nagpi-filter ng high and low frequencies. Pinapasa niya ang low frequencies sa subwoofer at ang high frequencies naman pinapasa niya sa tweeters. Alright guys, so yan ang ating Ground Zero Iridium Series two-way component speakers. Unboxing muna tayo, and sa ating next video ipapakita ko kung gaano lang kadali i-install itong mga ganitong klaseng speakers sa ating Honda Brio. Hopefully may natutunan kayo sa ating unboxing video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe and click the bell icon para hindi mo ma-miss yung installation video na next dito. Again, super thank you kay Sir Mark Chan of Zenito Audio sa pag-sponsor ng video and also sa sponsorship ng audio equipment ng aking Honda Brio. Again guys, this is Dan from CARBITS. Stay home, be healthy, and drive safe, and I'll see you on our next video.